And here we reach Hotel Kudremukha. And that's a complete fleet. NKK Madhu. Ramnath, Ujjwal. This is Aditya. Ma'am, namaskar. Sora jana sachi. Sora. Yes. Because they galta ki independent. They dawarta ki buffet type ki dawar hai. Okay, ship plate kish korea. So we've just stopped here. Let's have breakfast.
Here's all the gates. Everybody is just changing their clothes and just complaining they got wet or they didn't get wet and all of it. Yeah. And our food is getting ready. It's getting prepared. Namaskara. Baka.
Okay, here banana.
Enchant Barsada ride.
First time.
First time?
Rail ride first time.
Anda. All the versus ultimate.
Batkine poi varsha.
Acha.
Just 1 year ainate.
Okay. Okay.
The rain ride anta.
Very good. Avla better half do to go.
Better have the to bakir not.
Engla first ride.
Engla first ride.
Yes.
Kali bike balpan.
In Engla ಸೇಮಿಗೆ ಉಂಡು ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಉಂಡು ವಡೆ ಉಂಡು ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಪಿಕ್ಕಲ್ ರೈಸ್ಲ ಉಂಡು ಪೂರ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಉಂಡು ಅದು ಉಂಡು ನಮ್ಮಟ್ಟು ನೀರು ದೋಸೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೇಜ್ ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡನ್ ವಿತ್ our breakfast. Everybody is suiting up, just getting themselves ready for the ride now. So they're vlogging, he's holding the helmet and vlogging just like that. Jugaad vlog. And yeah, now we'll head towards Kudremukh.
Towards Kudremukh. On the right. So now let's go. All the riders are getting ready. It's been a super rainy day. Marshall! We've got Ramnath on infield and Akshat on a referee. So that was up. This is the entire fleet that we've got. And best part is look at the discipline that everybody is maintaining. Each and every rider well disciplined in a single lane. Look at that. Beautiful. Love this. Each and everyone is in a straight line and also organized. This is single lane formation with proper equal distance between each riders, so so that you get sufficient time in case you need to brake. Beautiful. So I just wanted to show you the entire group, that's why I went a little behind. Now catching up with the entire group, and we'll go ahead and lead. Wow! Look at the nature right in front of me. Beautiful. Absolute stunning. And here we have all the riders now intact. Yes, everybody is intact. Let's go. So we just finished taking the passes and permissions, and now we are off to Kudremukh. So we've got a window of 1 hour before which we have to reach the next checkpost. That's the window that they give, and then submit those cards in there. And again, while starting from there, we need to again get the timing sorted there, and then come here. Now look at this view. It's going to be one breathtaking view here. Just amazing. And we were asked to go together because I have all the... Oh, look at that. Did you just see? The transformer just shot. Look at that. The smoke is coming now. Oh, crazy. So I had come here, I think, about 6 months ago. The roads were good. Only certain curves and patches are bad. The roads are completely gone. Hopefully now roads are good, and we get some good timing to make. And I'll also see if we can get some viewpoints. We can go around, because we need to reach the next checkpost on time. It's an amazing climb. The kind of twist and turn that you have, it's just beautiful. And the kind of nature that you get around, the scenic beauty here is spectacular. You can just enjoy watching and riding here. Sometimes you get confused, should you stop and look at the nature, or should you continue riding? Because both are equally good. Riding in these roads in this condition is definitely going to be fun. And even otherwise, when it's not raining as well, riding in these roads is complete fun. And looking at the the nature around also is so much enchanting. Look at this, the fog at this hour of the day. Here we are in one of the bridges at Kudremukh. Look at this beautiful scenery. Here's Ujubai. And check what we've got here. Amazing. It's quite a monsoon ride. Quite a monsoon ride that we've had. Check this out. And look at the water here. It's absolutely stunning.
A few moments later.
So we reached Samse on time, and now time for some hot bhajis. It's been raining, it's like a Paisa Vasool ride. Everybody had lots of fun. And yes, that's it for this video. We'll end the video here itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and we will see you in our next video. Bye bye.